a solution that just helps companies manage their shift workers better. So we provide a simple application that when somebody calls in sick, they don't show up for some kind of reason, an organization can first message their in-store or in-location workers, and then they can message the workers in other locations around them so they can fill their shifts with their own workers. Today they don't really have a way to do that. It takes managers sometimes up to 2 or 3 hours to try and find somebody just to come in, and that's if they can find somebody. And if you're retail, that costs you customer service, money. If you're healthcare, well, you just can't have that because there's people who have needs. So there's certain industries that utilize a lot of temporary workers, right? So your manufacturing, your warehouse, healthcare, which I mentioned a second ago, they do utilize agencies quite a bit. So part of the application would allow them to communicate with their agency workers or their agency contacts, their preferred supplier list, to get workers in quicker and also match with profiles. So when you're going outside of your pool, if you can see what kind of skills, expertise somebody has, a rating, you can now fill in the slot. So it's not just about covering the hours, but hey, this person here is fantastic at running this type of a forklift, or this person's fantastic in dealing with these types of special needs. You're now, I guess, intelligently filling your shift, not just randomly filling it.